Welcome back. Day 3 of our 30-day yoga trapeze for weight loss and fitness challenge. We are going to be doing a core Pilates focused workout. So let's go ahead and come to our mats. We are going to stand behind the yoga trapeze, grabbing hold of the fabric, thumbs facing down. We're going to take our feet a little bit wider than the hips. We're going to be behind the hanging points. As you exhale, press the ground away, soft bend in the knees, reach the hands forward. Inhale to pull the hands back towards the hips, open through the heart, looking up towards the ceiling. Exhale, really press into all 10 toes, sending the hips back, bending in the knees. Inhale, ground down to rise up and open. Once more, exhale. And inhale. Nice, then we're going to stand right underneath the hip points, the hanging points. Take the middle handles and then exhale, twist over to the right, lift your left heel as you look behind you. Inhale to center, little bend in the knees. Exhale, straighten through the legs, look over that left shoulder, lift the right heel. Inhale, bend into the knees, coming into center. Exhale, press. Inhale and exhale. One more time each side, inhaling and exhaling. Nice, then coming back to center, rising up nice and tall. We're just gonna take our arms up overhead. Exhale, drop the hands down to the right. Inhale up to center. Exhale over to the left. Twice more each side. Beautiful. Coming up to center, roll up those wrists, the shoulders, the arms, the ankles, shake it out. Nice, so we're going to open up the fabric. I like to make a little snake slither motion, then grab hold of the handles, thumbs in, fingers facing out, slide it underneath your hips. Then we're going to lie back, so the fabric's right around my shoulder blades. Then I'm going to hold onto the lower handles. Inhale to lengthen open as I reach my arms overhead. Exhale, I'm gonna bring my knees into my chest, press my hands down towards my shins. Inhale to open. Exhale. Inhale, open. And exhale. For 6. Nice and slow, 5. Exhale, 4. 3. 2. On this last one, we're gonna hold the knees into the chest, stay curling up. Take your hands, press them down into the straps, little press, press, press. If you wanna add on to this, you can do a little flutter in the legs as well. Breathe. You got it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Maybe get a little straightened legs. One more challenge. 3, 2, 1. Release. Taking the arms back. You can maybe drape open, holding onto the handles. Taking the feet back behind you. And then exhale, coming to sit up. Nice, so now we're going to lie back, walking the legs out in front of you, holding onto the middle handles, bring the elbows to the inside of the hammock. Then we're going to exhale, press your right hand back behind you, bring your right knee into your left elbow. Then inhale, switch, exhale, left hand back, left knee in. Open and switch. You might get a little bit of a swing happening in the fabric. Keep that tailbone lifted. If you need to keep your knees bent the whole time, you can. Try to slow it down. Switching. Breathing, exhaling as you come in. Inhaling as you open out. 4, 3, 2, last set, once each side. Then hold that left knee to your right elbow, little pulse, pulse. Bring that knee into your elbow, elbow into the knee, core is engaged. 4, 3, 2, 1, switch sides, little pulse. Again, both knees can be bent. Find your level, breathe. 4, 3, 2, 1, release. Maybe allow yourself to hang back, stretching through that belly. Nice and slow, sitting up. Then we'll go ahead and come down. Now we're gonna come down onto the floor, lying on your back. Place your heels right inside the lowest straps. You can open up the fabric, make sure there's enough room for your foot to sit inside. So tucking the shoulders underneath the spine, we're gonna place the hands down by the hips. So our core is not just our stomach, it's our back, our sides, everything. The whole middle section of our torso. So hands down by the hips, we're going to exhale, lift the hips off the ground, then inhale to lower. Exhale, lift, so my legs are straight. Inhale down. Exhale to lift. Inhale, lower. You got it for 4. Down. 3. Nice and slow. Soft bend in the knees. 2. And 1. On this next one, we're going to hold it up. Bring the heels towards the hips. Then inhale, lengthen out. Set it down. Exhale, lift. Bring those heels in. Inhale out and down. If that's too much, you can just stay with lifting the hips and not bending the knees. So always find a level that stays maintainable for you. If you have to stop and drop, just go down a level instead, because that's what's going to help you come back stronger. Nice. For 3, 2, and 1. Hold the heels in. 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower down. Can maybe swing those legs a little bit. Nice. So now we're going to soft bend in the knees, press into the heels to lift the hips. We're going to dip. Right hip is going to tap and then lift. Then left hip is going to tap and lift. If it's too much to have your heels in, you can always walk the hammock to your knees. So finding something that works for you. Dip and lift. You can always pause the video and adjust your fabric as much as you need to. For 4, 3, 2, and 1. Then we're going to hold it up to center. Hold 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower down. Nice. So we'll go ahead and take our legs out, rocking up. Let's step our left foot into the right strap, and then you're going to cross your right leg into the left strap over your left leg. So that way we can spin and face towards that left side. So I'm keeping my legs stacked. I'm going to press into my hips, lifting them off the ground and down onto my elbow. If you want to be up on your hand, that's okay. Then we're going to inhale, dip the hip, exhale, lift. Inhale, lower, exhale. If you need to step your bottom foot out, so that way that knee is on the ground and you're really pressing into that top foot, you can always work from there as well. So find your level. Keep going, keep breathing. 4, 3, 2. On this next one, hold the hips up, little pulse, so gentle lift in the hips. Up, picture an inch in your mind. 6, 5, 4, 3, hold it in 2, and 1, hold it up. Maybe reach that top arm overhead, core is engaged. 4, 3, 2, 1. Set that hip down. Little bit of a stretch twist here. Then we're going to switch to the other side. So all I need to do is kind of rock to face the right side, or left side now. Left side, right side, opposite side. So again, pressing down, again, bottom foot can come out so the knee taps down, but stay pressing into that top leg. When you're ready, both hips are going to lift. Inhale to tap. Exhale to lift. So I'm not setting my hips down, I'm just tapping them to the ground and then lifting back up. Exhaling on that exertion for 4, 3, 2, and hold it here, then little pulse up. Lift, lift, breathe. 4, 3, 2, and hold it up. Reach that top arm overhead. Hold 4, 3, 2, 1. Very nice. Set it down. Little stretch through that side. Perfect. Now we're going to roll onto our belly. So just the tops of my ankles are in the strap. Forearms coming down, elbows underneath shoulders. Then we're going to exhale, lift the hips up. Inhale to lower. Again, just tapping so I'm not collapsing into the ground. Exhale to lift. Inhale, tap it down up. Exhale. Up and down. 4, 3, 2. Then hold it up. Dip the left hip, then right, then left, then right. Try to press down into your feet so the legs don't rock side to side. 4, 3. We're going to hold it in 2. And 1. Hold it up. Hold for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Set the legs down. Press back, child's pose, breathing into the whole back of the body. 2 more rounds of breath. And 1 more. Nice, and slowly sitting up. We'll go ahead and get back into the hammock. Opening up the seat. Then coming to sit down. We're going to rock back, create a nice big Y with the legs, then wrap around the front, tuck the feet around the back. Let your body hang for a moment. If that's too much, you can keep the legs backing down and holding onto the strap, whatever feels good for you. Maybe walk the hands back if they're on the floor, letting the chest drop through the shoulders. 1 more round of breath. Then nice and slow, coming to sit up. Taking a moment, allowing the blood to come back down into the body. Congratulations, you finished day 3. Again, just day by day by day, you got this. Tomorrow we will be doing a yoga-centric flow in the trapeze, so I look forward to seeing you then. Please leave your comments, questions, feedback. Join the Facebook group Yoga-Trapeze Lovers and or Yoga-Trapeze Tips and Tricks. I can't wait to see you tomorrow. Have a beautiful day.